of cosine. Previously, we learned the law of sines, which as some theorems can, it does have its limitations. To use the law of sines, we had to know the measures of two angles on any side, AAS or ASA, or the measure of two sides and an opposite angle of SSA. If we don't have either of these scenarios, but instead we have the measures of two sides and the included angle side, or the measures of all the side and no angles, we must use the law of cosine. Law of cosine. Law of cosines in angle ABC. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared is minus 2AC cos B. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So this is the law of cosines. Like for example, number 1. Find x if y is equal to 11, z is equal to 25, and measure angle x is equal to 45. So, use the law of cosine since the measure of two sides and the included angle are known. So, example number 1 is x squared is equal to y squared plus z squared minus 2yz cos x. This will be law of cosines. So, x squared is equal to 11 squared plus 25 squared minus 2 times 11 times 25 cos 45 angle. So, since the value of y here is 11 and the value of z is 25 and the measure angle x is 45. So this one. So x squared is equal to 746 minus 550 cos 45 degree. So we are going to simplify it. So x is equal to square root of 746 minus 550 cos 45 degrees. So we are going to take the square root of each side. So this one, and this one. So cancelled out the square root of here. So we are going to write x. So this we are going to write it this one. So by using the calculator, we are going to substitute or to compute this one. Compute this one. So the answer is x is equal to 18.9. So that is the answer. Another example is measure angle L. So this one, the law of cosines is r squared minus m squared plus n squared minus 2mn cos L. So the given here is r is equal to 24, m is equal to 27, and n is equal to 5. So we are going to put this value in this equation. So by simplify it, we are going to have 576 equal to 754 minus 270 cos L. So 178 is equal to negative 270 cos L is we are going to subtract 754 from its side. So we come up with this answer. So divide each side by negative 270. So cos to the power of 1 is equal to 178 over 270 L. So we are going to solve for L. So by dividing this value, we are going to come up with measure angle L is equal to 48.8. So thank you for listening.